Gotta learn how to work that trigger. You gotta use 2 hands on that one. There you go. Take your time, work that trigger. Let off, let off. You bump this up. You see that right there? You bumped it up with your thumb. Take your time. Okay, you see how you're trying to go back and forth? You need to get your starting point. Start here and come back. You gotta, you see what I'm saying? Stay away from that paint. You gotta learn how to turn this at an angle like this. See that flat part of the light? Don't go back and forth, just go in one direction. Go. Back. Go back. Keep going.
Well, this way?
Yeah. Yeah, start right there. Just work your way back real slow. Take your time. And watch your line. You see it? And work that trigger. You gotta work that trigger. Start back at the beginning. Come back this way. Work your way that way. Let off the trigger. Keep going. Work that trigger. Work that trigger. Alright, it's starting to get dry. You saw it? Now you gotta pick up your little screwdriver and clean it. There's a tool for this, but I don't have it right now. Alright, that's good enough. Now put you a couple of dabs. Easy, easy. Too much. 1, 2. Put another one. That's it. That's it. I just push it around on the light. Just roll it around. Dab it and just roll it around. That's a compound mix that I made up. A.R.T. It's got a little bit of 800 grit removal compound, and I got some it's kind of like swirl mark removal compound, like to remove like fine swirl mark like 1200 grit. So it's a little alright. You hear how it's moving faster now? Alright, let off the trigger. Let off the trigger and watch it. Look at your speed. See what happened? You bumped it again.
No, it's still at 2.
Let it down some. It's too high. Down, not up. Down. Keep going.
I went to 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Put about right there.
It was at, that's where it was.
Okay. Now do a long sweep. Start at one end and work your way to the other. Take your time. And watch your line. Keep going. Keep going. All right, here, grab this. And then what I'm gonna do, watch me. Now hold this while it's filming. You gotta hold it at an angle. Here, watch. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up just a little bit. Put it right at 2. See that line I'm talking about? You gotta learn how to kind of hold it, you know what I'm saying? Because these bumpers, you only got a small area where you're concentrating your pressure. You can see where you're working at right in there. So now I gotta get all this wet off of here. So I'm gonna lay it flat a little bit and just kind of smooth that out a little bit down there. And work that slowly back and forth. All right, now that's in. Now I gotta work these little corners right in here. See how I got the end of it kind of just barely on there? Don't take much. Just see that line now? See what I'm taking away? See? Now you just kind of work your way back. And another one. See? When you hold it real steady, you see those lines in it like that. And now you just go back and you always just go back and just clean it up like that. See? It's tricky a little bit, but you gotta learn how to hold that buffer. Now, on these little edges, you gotta kind of. We have smaller buffers for this, but if you know how to work a big buffer, you can use a big buffer. But you gotta be careful around the edges. Sometimes you got to go back and you have to hit it again with a little bit more compound. Clean your head. Got to keep your head clean. Just like so. Sometimes you just hit this dry because it's see how it's dry. Just clean it up. See? Just like let the buffer do the work. See? Then you just fine tune it a little bit. Work out all those little scratch marks that you can finally just see with your eyes. Every headlight's not gonna be exactly perfect, but if you work at it enough, you can get the majority of all the stuff out of there. I'm gonna leave this one alone for a minute, but you have to go back and hit it with the towel. See all that residue? It'll come right off. That's why I didn't really worry about it too much. And then the rest of it, we'll just polish out like that. Got to keep these towels really clean. There's a couple of lines in here I need to work out, but it came from water sanding, and we didn't have a lot of extra time on this one, but we did the best we could with the time that was allotted. But it's a lot better than what it was. But there's a line that's left here. You can actually see it, but we stand back from it. You can't really tell. If you look at this headlight. This one turned out pretty good as well. This one was really, really bad at first. So how's that, Jordan?
Well, I believe what it was.
Yep. CJ with A.R.T. and Jordan. Automotive Restoration Technologies. Restore your car at Gmail or yahoo.com. Signing off. You can sign off, Jordan.
You just did.
All right, in a minute.